Inside of Well-Groomed Barbershop, owner Tony Burdett is cutting hair.
Barbershops, and mostly black barbershops, is our own fellow social club. We kind of let loose in here and open up.
Making them the perfect venue to not only cut hair, but also cut minority health disparities.
With your health, also your mental health, there's a lot of things going on within our community that we're not paying attention to or we're not giving awareness to, and we just don't know where to go.
That's where Project Ricochet's Barbershop Initiative comes in.
We're promoting men's health and men's health awareness.
The nonprofit organization is partnering with Anthem Medicaid and other community organizations to bring potentially life-saving health information to local barbershops.
We just want them to know that, we're here for them, the information's out there, and, we want to serve them and make sure that they're healthy.
They're providing free haircuts, vaccines.
It's very important to get out to the community, make sure that we're providing vaccines where people are already spending their normal day.
And education, all in one place.
We have partnered to bring health and awareness to our African American community, specifically speaking about our black men, how we can bring awareness to why health is important.
According to the National Institutes of Health, the health risks and disparities faced by African American men include higher rates of asthma, cancer, diabetes, heart diseases, influenza and pneumonia, mental illness, stroke, suicide, and HIV/AIDS. These concerns are increased by health disparities and preventable differences that place a higher health burden and barriers on individuals due to race, gender, and/or income.
Why not come on over here, get that information, get a great free haircut from us, some food. All those type of aspects of it will basically greater the situation and awareness of it while still having a comfortable environment as our barbershop.
In Lexington, Samantha Valentino, WKYT.